Skoda has revealed the facelifted version of the first generation Kodiaq large SUV, with a 7-seater due in Australian showrooms by December, when it will be headlined by the new petrol-powered RS performance flagship. As reported, the Kodiaq RS has traded in its 176 kilowatts per 500 Nm 2.0-liter twin-turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine for a 180 kilowatts per 370 Nm single-turbo petrol unit. And if it sounds familiar, that's because it's also found under the bonnet of the new generation Octavia RS mid-size car. That said, the Kodiaq RS is still mated to an all-wheel drive system and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, albeit a new 5.2 kg lighter item, speaking of which the engine swap was also reduced weight by more than 60 kg. Also confirmed for Australia is the return of the Kodiaq's entry-level 132 TSI and mid-range 132 TSI Sportline variants, with both powered by a 140 kilowatts per 320 Nm version of the Kodiaq's RS new unit. They have the same drivetrain too. Of course, there's more to the Kodiaq's facelift, with it also ushering in redesigned front fascias, with the similarities being new headlights, grills and bumpers. Around the side, fresh sets of alloy wheels are offered, measuring up to 20 inches in diameter and including new aero designs, while the rear tail lights have tweaked graphics and a tailgate spoiler has been added. Inside, there is a fresh Canton sound system with 10 speakers, new trim options, extended contrasting stitching, enhanced LED ambient lighting, and the availability of ventilated front seat with perforated leather upholstery and massaging functionality. Local pricing and full specification details for the facelifted Kodiaq will release closer to its launch. For reference, the pre-facelifted version of the Toyota Kluger, Mazda CX-9, Kia Sorento, and Hyundai Santa Fe Rival is currently priced from $46,390 to $68,890 plus on road costs.